Odd Job Doer here, and today we're taking a break from doing jobs. We're going to do something else. So, anyways, Odd Job Doer here, and what we're going to be doing today is a little recipe, because, you know, today should be Thanksgiving. And if nothing else, one thing I get only one time of the year, it seems like around Thanksgiving, is cranberry sauce. But you know what? I don't like that stuff in the can that's gelled. I mean, I do, but I don't like high fructose corn syrup. And almost all the brands out there seem to have high fructose corn syrup put in that can. So I'm here on the action cam to show you how to make a chutney of sort of cranberries. Right, cranberries, right? And this here's, you know, not to kick a name brand, nothing but Ocean Spray. Fresh premium cranberry superfruit. And there's another warning I'll put with the superfruit. Like other healthy products, these little guys are packed full of goodness also have some oxalates, oxalic acid, oxalates for short. And what that is if you have kidney stones, you should know what an oxalate is. They help you make kidney stones usually. But the thing is with these here is like this, not so bad. Probably eat as much as you want, just about. You know, they're nice. They're perfectly sweet, right? It's all white there. You see on the inside there, there's little pockets, right? If you've never seen inside a real cranberry, it looks like that. You got little seeds in there. And, yeah. Good stuff. So, I know better save for the sauce, but, so I got cranberry. And, this recipe takes, it says 3 cups of cranberries. And it's really just on the back of this here bag. So, nothing too special. Original is 3 cups of Ocean Spray or fresh cranberries, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water. And what we're doing is we got 3 cups of cranberries, 3/4 of a cup, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, granulated, 1/4 cup of honey, and then we got 3/4 of a cup of water. And to this water, I'm going to add lemon juice, which is right here, lemon juice. So I'm going to top off this here to give it about 1/4 cup of lemon juice to it. Maybe the citric acid in it will help take care of some of those oxalates. Right. So it goes like this. You enter into a pot over heat, medium high. I think you want to get this to a boil. I'm going to go ahead and do my lemon juice water mixture. And I'll do my heat. Get that kicked on a little bit. Then we'll do in the sugar. Right. Whole lot of sugar there, but then we'll do the honey. That. Alright, so I'll just, you know, put this in ever so slightly. And, you know, is there traditions that you do for Thanksgiving or recipes that you like to cook? Leave them down below or in the comments if you'd like. And I'll definitely read over them all. Okay, so this is where I'm going to switch to 2 hands. Like I said, I'm going to bring this concoction here, stir it some, and I'll bring it up to a boil. And then we'll get back at it. Okay, so we've got kind of a boil going here, this mixture, a little concoction. So we're going to go ahead and add the cranberries in there. And, yeah, one by one. No, but, whoops, back here, you. And that's why they float, like those little air pockets I showed you earlier. Floating cranberries, that's how you harvest them from the bogs, right? Alright, gently without making a big old mess. And then you bring it back to a boil. And stirring it there. Oh, you can hear that? They're hissing. They're angry. Probably gonna explode. Maybe I do. Who knows? So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring this up to a boil again and then reduce the heat. And reduce the heat, and stir it every once in a while for 10 minutes. All right. So bring back to a boil, reduce the heat, then 10 minutes. I'll be back. Right, so we're about halfway through on the time, and you can see it's getting a little frothy here. A lot of these cranberries have kind of, you know, cracked, popped open, exploded ever so slightly. I think there's a little mess down here somewhere, a little spittle. But keep it going. Give it some stirring, and then, you know, let's sit there for a while. Not a long while though, because it's only 10 minutes you're doing this thing for. So we'll get knock it out to the 5 minutes here, and come back to see how it looks like. Alright, so this is what we got here after almost the 10 minutes is up. And as you can see, it's thickening up. In fact, for the last minute, maybe 2 minutes, I've been stirring this to make sure it doesn't want to burn or turn to junk. And there we have it. 10 minutes is up. I'm going to kill the heat. And don't get this on you. You'll basically melt and fuse to it and be a cranberry person. But this reminds me a whole lot of making sweet and sour sauce from scratch. The real stuff. Which is, you know, a different view altogether. It's not made yet. But you mix the ingredients together, you boil them down, and that's the main thing, is that you're boiling off the water, the liquids, and everything gets thick. So you got the juices here from the cranberries. Look at that. Okay, anyways, what you do with this now, I'm going to take it over to another burner. Get a few more little stirs here. And you let it just sit there. Whoa, get your spoon out, especially if it was like wood or plastic or something. I don't use plastic, but get your spoon out. Let it sit there to cool pretty much completely. And so we'll be back after this cools. And take it off finger. No. And would you look at that? After letting it cool, transfer it to a glass vessel here, container. A little bit left on the spoon here, you see. Yeah, look at that nice sheen to it. That is pretty good. It's nice and tart. Tasty. So I'm assuming if you want more like a lemon taste to it, you can do like a lemon zest. If you have a real lemon, you know, zest in there. But I don't know if I really like yeah, I don't like marmalades, stuff like that, stuff with zest in it. But this right here, this would be great. And like I said, I'm actually making this a few days before. Just going to put this in here, slap this lid on it, and it will rest in the fridge until Turkey Day. And whatever's left over, if there's anything left over, which there might be, you know what? I think I'll just put on some vanilla ice cream or something, or leftover turkey and whatnot. So, if you have any questions or comments on this, leave them down below. Like I said, pretty easy. You know, it's almost like if you can boil the water, you can make this just with a few ingredients. And thanks for watching. You all have a happy Thanksgiving. Odd job doer. Turkey time.